welcome to my little red barn, which is a place I do a lot of repurposing of projects. And today we'll be talking about how to make a incense bottle burner, which is relatively easy to do, and I'll show you how to do it. But first I'd like to talk to you about where to find your bottles you can repurpose. So stay tuned and let's go out to the woods. Hey everyone, just thought I'd take a second, talk about where to get your bottles from. And you can find them at most national parks or Corps of Engineer parks or wildlife sanctuaries like we're at today, where unfortunately people leave them behind, like it's their own personal relaxation place, which it's not. And you can find all kinds of bottles out here, to make your incense burners with, decent sized bottles, and these smaller bottles that are good for the bells on wind chimes, which I also make. I'll talk to you in another video about. And I use this bag. It helps me store them all in, carry them out of the woods. And I get my supplies right here. And I use this pickup stick here, which I also made out of repurposed lumber. Very easy to make. You could stab beer cans and all kinds of garbage while you're out here looking for bottles and make the world a better place. That's all. So in the next part of the video, I'll talk about how to make them in the little red barn. So stay tuned and we'll be right back. Peace. So here we are. This is what we'll be making, which is a incense bottle burner. And on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd say it's about a 3 to make. Not too difficult. Once you have all your tools and supplies ready. What it is, it's a key ring. So you'll need one of these to hold your incense. Then the bottle, which we talked about in the last segment, you can find in any national park. Then you'll need a good drill bit to make a hole, and I'll show you how to do that in the next segment. And then of course maybe a little decoration. I use stickers. They work relatively well, and for little or nothing you can make one of these. Just the cost of a drill bit and a key ring, and of course you'll need some incense, but I'm sure you've figured that out already. So stay tuned and we'll talk about what you'll need and how to make it. So here we are at the workbench. We have everything laid out, what you're going to need. We got your drill, your drill bits, which are diamond tip drill bits, very sharp. You can get them on Amazon for like $10 for a set. Relatively cheap, and you'll get a long life out of them if you take care of them. We got your key ring and your sticker, which is about a 3-inch sticker. Fits very well on the glass once you get the hole cut. So, and we have our water. This is important. You got to keep the glass moist as you're drilling. Otherwise, it'll get very hot and it'll wear out your drill bit and possibly break the glass if it gets too hot. So you want to start out slow. Get a nice even score line. And speed it up a little bit. Set it down. as you can see, hopefully, you have to bear with us. This is actually off my first how-to video, as I've been recording music concerts for a very long time. You're welcome to watch on my channel, and like and subscribe, as hopefully I'll be making more how-to videos on different items you could repurpose and save from going to the landfill, and save some money and make the world a little better place for us all to live. So, hope you enjoy this video and your new incense burner, and have a great day. Peace out.